If you travel for work or for pleasure, it only takes a second for you to update your GoPro to the local date and time using GoPro Labs. So first of all, we need to go to the GoPro Labs website, and here's a website at the top of the page. I'll also provide the link in the description down below. You want to scoot down the page, make sure you've installed the GoPro Labs firmware for your camera. If you're not sure how to do that or you haven't done that yet, click on the link at the top of this video right now and I'll take you step by step through the process. So we're taking it that you've actually downloaded GoPro Labs firmware onto your GoPro, and you want to scoot down the page a little bit, and we're going to go down to the section here where it says camera macros. So we're going to tap on that. It's going to bring up a QR control screen. Now if we look here, this option here, second option really, is local date and time. So if we tap on that, what that does right now, and you can see this QR code is very active, that QR code is actually set to your local date and time. This is really handy if you want to say synchronize more than one camera. And my current time zone up here is 9 hours and 30 minutes in front of Greenwich time, also called UTC. With GoPro Labs installed, all I need to do is hold my camera in front of this QR code here and it will update the time. It also has an option up here where it says daylight saving active, so we can uncheck that as well too. It's currently winter time here in Australia, but if it was summertime when we do have daylight saving, you can just check that box and that will make sure that your time is correct. Now I'm just going to pop out of that for a second because there's one more thing I want to show you about time today, and that is this link here where it says to UTC time. So we're going to tap on that one there. Okay, what I'm going to show you right now is precision, date and time, and it's also abbreviated as UTC, which is Universal Time Coordinated. Now this used to be called Greenwich Mean Time. It's sometimes called Zulu in some areas of the world, like the military would class it as Zulu Time. But anyway, what you can do with GoPro Labs downloaded on your camera, you can hold up your camera to this QR code here. As you can see, it's very active as well, like the one before, and it will record UTC onto your GoPro, as simple as that. Installing GoPro Labs on your GoPro opens you up to a whole new world of fun possibilities. To learn more about GoPro Labs and the awesome things that you can do, you want to click on this video over here right now. As usual, thanks for your company, and I'll see you in the next video.